It's halting again, guys. Pro Trader Mike live on another halt. Live, just halted again on BNGO, everybody. Pro Trader Mike. Hope you're doing great today. You'll see me in a sec. There we go. Oh my gosh. Welcome. Thank you for checking out the show. Oh my gosh. Record day. Record day in the Mojo room, as I've seen the most record halts I've ever seen, and we're live in one right now on BNGO as I'm long CGC with the rest of the team. It's going up 992 now on the CGC. You see here, these are the trades. 994, 995 on CGC, up 2,040, along with NBEV. That gave me the signal right there. That one made quick 400 on, but we're going to sell a little bit right here on that. Got my account boosted up. Been waiting for that. So could trade some larger shares now. I've made some good money on SCS, made great money on BIMI, and all these other stocks. Was able to do a nice upgrade and get some more buying power, and because of that, I'm making more money. And we're in BNGO for the 19th halt today, and I'll show you what's going on in the Mojo room. Hold on a second here. Do it. You said you were going to.
Got the volume.
I got this guy.
The volume becomes your friend.
Finally. Let me just say thank you. Here we go. That's what I've been waiting for, guys. Been waiting to start the show. I'm sorry I'm late. I'll show you what's going on right here. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo, mama. All right, so we got my man, I'm speechless, says me a message. Listening to you on the microphone. I don't use the screen share and never have. I don't need it. Nice. The lessons you've taught me are priceless still to this day. I've held back from chat here for some time as I'm always behind the scenes. This week was a record week for me on VIVE. I had the confidence to get 100,000 shares below 4 and sold them for 9 plus. Made well over $1 million. Yes, correct on your picks. SES, then WWR, then BIMI, then DTSS, and now VIVE, along with BNGO. I'm saying thank you again. There you go. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. And BNGO is $4.56 with a low of $1.05. We've been in it today. It's halted 19 times along with VIVE and these other stocks. And everyone could be a member. Mojo University, this is where all these traders have learned the Heinz trade play. My glitch in the market that keeps on winning and winning and winning, like CGC is headed through 20 right now. You see it, 1996 by 98. It's going to go through the 20. I got the 1,500 left from 73 to go to 20. And I'll show you exactly where that pick came in. Check it out, man. Thank you, dude. Been waiting for that, man. Thank you. Bam, money bags. Oh, yeah, man. So check out this, guys. It's 20 bucks now. Heinz 20. There it is, Heinz 20. Got 20.03 now on a CGC at Heinz 20. There we go. Beautiful. Sell another 500 at 20 right there. Click that, baby. Nice. We were in Uber today. We're in a lot of other stocks. I'll show you all the things we're in today and how magnificent we hit these babies. I got a nice little mark is red. Let's scroll up in the Mojo room. 20.02 by 20.05 on CGC. So guys, today was just an amazing day in the Mojo room. We said wow many times. Bingo open 460. Bingo open 463, guys. 470. Bingo. Bingo, bingo. Get the hell out. Thank you. Thank you. Get out. We're in that stock right there. It's going to halt again to the downside right now, live. Halting down live now. 4-4. They're all going green in the time and sales. You see it? It halted down. See it? And now it's 370. So when it's green before the shizzle, it'll halt and go lower. When they're all red, it halts and goes higher. And here's another halt, all with the greens. So that was put into the Mojo room. Nice profiting on that, guys. Let me scroll back up to the top right here in the beginning of the day. I wonder if I could jump there. Oh boy. Let's go jumping to the beginning of the day on the welcome. I'll do a search. A lot of activity in the Mojo room today, guys. Today at 10:45. Today at 9. Here we go. Jump. 8:45. So I'm in. I jumped to 8:45 in the morning. You ain't gonna believe this. Let's count how many times the stock halts. We got 2 of them. We've got VIVE. And then we got BNGO. So let's count how many times it's going to halt today, okay? Is VIVE going to win or BNGO is going to win? Let's take a look. I'll record them after every 3. How about that? Because it's just incredible. So I have a live screen share, but as you could see, the mouse doesn't use that. You say hello to my guys on YouTube. Hi. So Carol back in the show and in the game. And you're asking, who's Carol? Let me show you who Carol is. So Miss Carol has been with the Mojo. There's Alan since 2013. He started with me in 2012. You can watch his video. And there's Colin right there. Let's go to the 75 pages of these. So Carol's right here. She joined in 3/13 of 2016. Just like a lot of people, she was just rereading her notes from Mojo University and had to stop and email me a huge thank you to let me know how much she appreciated everything she learned so far. A lucky feeling to be first of many thank you notes she'll be writing. And blah, blah, blah. It scrolls all the way down. Later that day, I received a welcome email. Thank you. And then on January 19th, couldn't come fast enough, Class 1 of Mojo U. Thank you. Then Mojo U's been doing great. My realized profit since December 22nd, 10 weeks is $6,250. Ooh. Yeah, we get the free courses. $6,250 after the first week in Mojo University, right there. She's been with me a long time, Carol. That's her. Lovely lady. So men, women, everybody in the room doing it right. And killed it with the Ricky Martin Vivo this morning, VIVE. Great pick on the VIVE. Pro Bob 44, would love to have you in the room. I hope you did earn a lot. VIVE pick, you invested $3,300 for 1,000 shares and it turned $10,800. I sent out the newsletter this morning for guys just to let them know, hey, you know, it's trading very heavy in the pre-market, and if you wake up, you can like nail it like right there. So that's what I did. I wanted to just wake everybody up. So on October 16th this morning, when it already traded 1.3 million shares at 1080 by 92, I said, look, we got to let some go. Here was the buy. Excuse me. Adding to the second buy could fly through 4 with a 1 million float, has a gap to fill. I love it. Let's make bank at 393 by 395. And here was the newsletter. Mojo Hines trade play on 10-6 at 380, looking for a Hines to 4 if lower, but and that was the original one right there, 380. Then I sent it out again at 330 right here. Sunday's newsletter had tops from 330 to 410. VIVE from 330 is now 950, sold at 1050 this morning. EXPR is 325. EXPR actually went higher today, is 330s. CLSD is coming out with a great announcement, all these other great ones. And Renteria has 500 shares. I couldn't wait for him to come in this morning. Here's the actual newsletter. So if you click that link right there, you'll see the actual newsletter that got sent out on Sunday on 10/13 with 4 picks. Here's the structure and the rules of the newsletter, my market analysis, the model, and pick number 1 is tops at $3.30, sold over 4. Next one is VIVE right here, trade play. $4 is the first take for a gap fill to 420 when I first picked it. It has such a small float, it can go parabolic, and you got to be in it before that to make the jump. And that thing rocketed right there to $10.50. EXPR from 295 is 325, and CLSD is over 80 cents from 77. Those are the 4 picks with a stellar, amazing newsletter that continues to deliver for the traders. And that's what I sent out and how I sent it out. Hold on, I got a text. That's beautiful. So that's the newsletters. And then Scone, hold on. All right, and then we got Scone, and all right, bingo right there. Went to 289, in it from $1.30. From $1.30. It's $4 today. So this was the show this morning on VIVE. I got cut out. We were trading live on VIVE. Really nice on the show this morning. You could check that out. 51 minutes, and you can give me a subscribe down there in the bottom corner. You just click subscribe, and you'll get notified when I go live. You can click right now. I am live, so you can watch that. And this is me with the trading and just going over everything, so that's real nice. Let's pause that. And then good morning, VIVE. He has 500 shares. Amazing. Here's the call-in from this morning. I was looking for that post because I had the other one from the night before. So this is Renta the day after on VIVE. I love that. So you'll be able to see the students. He took Mojo University many, many, many times. He learned that Hines trade play many, many, many times. You love these things? These are these like rainbow cookies. They come in like this little 3-pack. These are the best, man. They have them in public now. That? Look at that. Look at that, baby. Take it? Yeah. Go on. Pop it right in. Pop that sucker right in. You know what I'm saying? If you like those things, comment down below. Tell me you like them things too, man. I'd love to see a comment on one of my videos. I'd love to see that. I don't know, I probably have 2 people watching. Yeah, 1. Okay. 1 person watching. No big deal. Nah, there's 2. Anyway, let's scroll down and we'll continue at 9:12 this morning. See? I was showing you guys yesterday. That mouse guy came in the room, was buying 100,000 shares of VIVE right at the close and into the aftermarket. And we watched all the orders go in and all the buying. It was quite amazing. And it opened at 10. I'm stunned. See, made $2 million in the picks here in a week. He was buying at 375, 395, 405, 425, 100,000 shares sold at 1050, made $1 million there and $1 million on SES and those other ones, BIMI, WWR, and DTSS. We watched it happen. Who made Mouse? The guy, the millionaire from before. I listened to his interview. It sounds like he had an interesting life. He should write a book. I'd read it. Me too, man. I would read it too. No one spends more time teaching than Mike. If you don't sign up, you'll be missing the greatest opportunity of stock trading in history. I agree with that. I like that little testimonial as well, Alan. Thank you, sir. Got to slam that. See, when people say good things, like, oh, then there's, look, Gerardo had a small account, made 437 on his little tiny today. You got to love that. All right, so that was real nice. Thank you for saying that, Alan. Love it, Philly. I know. I want to catch some more. Yeah, you bet you do. Bingo. There you go. 10.95. This is where we sold it this morning. I sent out the newsletter. It was trading into $11. 10.96 bid. You can see it right there. Already traded 1 million shares. I'm catching a cold because my son getting me sick. I got an earache too. It's terrible. Terrible. And then we got all these new traders to the room. Haven't been around, but on fire. Thank you. I already got a copyright thing on my last video, so I don't want to play any music. They copy. I don't know why people, if someone had a music, I'd be like, dude, play it on the video, man. It would give me more recognition, you know? Viva Vida Loca, $10,800 from $3,300. If you put in 1,000 shares in that swing newsletter when I told you to, $3,000, it turned into 10,800. That's beautiful. Bingo, 289 from $1.30. We went through those. So this right here is IPWR, had in my swing newsletter. Went over ACHN this morning, nanoviscerides. I probably went off around 10. Here's DTSS through 4. Look, 399 to 4. Goes right through. C4. C408 by 420. Amazing, right? See that? 420 goes higher. Weeds back to destruction, but they came back real nice. Oh, NBEV took a little dip. I think I'm going to take some NBEV here. Right here at 18 and 20. Taking some NBEV right here at 20, 320. Entry on NBEV right here. Taking it at 320 and below on this dip. And also got 500 CGC left. That one really hasn't come down, but NBEV did. So I'll take some here, build up a nice little position while I'm on the show with you. And then right here, I deserve 2,000 people watching my show every day when I go live. So you got to start subscribing, guys. So when I go live, you get to watch me. You're going to learn edutainment. That's education and entertainment together. I'm not fumbling and jumbling on my words and speaking a foreign language and you can't understand me like some of the other, things that are out there. I'm serious, real deal. And I could say for a fact that most people, I'd say 80% of these pro traders, 90% even, have been with me for more than 4 years on a monthly subscription, month after month. And now that it's zero commissions, you're not paying anything in commissions, the savings there, it's like having the Mojo room for free. Gift. The gift. So there's 445. There's the gift. Right through 4. See, there's the move. And it halted once. So there's the halt right there. And that's on bingo. So we got the first halt on bingo. 1. 1 up for Mr. Bingo. And then at 9:50, VIVE opened up. So we got 1 for VIVE and 1 for bingo, 1 each. And then bingo halted again. That's 2 bingo, 1 VIVE. 2 bingo, 1 VIVE. And then here's bingo at 136. See bingo? It's $3 now, halted again. Here goes NBEV off to 320. But look, it's there again. It's 100% from right there, folks. You can't follow my picks? Give me a break. There you go, baby. Bingo, bango, bingo. How do I get the screen share? New Pro Trader Richie to the room. Up here goes NBEV 325, selling some right here. 1,000. 1,000 going at 325. There's 324. May just take that and go back to the show. I always take 24 and 29. Just wait for it to flick 24. Enough size on the bid for me to sell 1,000 shares. Here it goes. I may get 25. There's a lot of other people selling. There's 800. I get 25. I take 24. Like I said, I do. Sold 1,000 at 24. Let's go back over here. So at 9:58, bingo, bango halted. So it's like 2 up. 2 bingo, 2 bango, 2 VIVE. Halted right there at 139, 140. And here's a double halt for the first time that I had. A double halt on bango and DTSS. Both halted at the same time. A new symbol in there. So you got, I don't need this notepad. I'll keep track for you. So you got VIVE, bingo, and dingo. We'll keep track like that. Bingo, dingo, and VIVE, and bingo. Bingo, VIVE, and dingo. Dingo's DTSS, okay? So VIVE's going. 650, 670. You see the screen share there if you need it. I don't know. Alan never used it either. He hasn't used it in years. Show me the money, guys. So just at 10 a.m., Gerardo made $610. Student, Mojo University, applies the same systems every day. Been with me for years. If you watched yesterday's video, I showed you who Gerardo is. Been with the Mojo team for many, many, many years. Excellent. This happens nowhere else. When he comes to the room, magic party happens, okay? Ramey made $682 today. Real screenshots. I don't have 1,000 people, guys. I got 28, the same. Other chat rooms that put out, oh, look what my traders made. Bang, bang, bang. They have 1,000 people in there. They have a staff of 20 that are all flooded in the room. And when they say, show me the money, they all do it, and it's not real. Show me some screenshots of your actual profit. It's a big difference. Okay, so watch, they'll go try to change that now to prove, hey, my guys are making money too. That's fine. That's fine. Can't remember the last time you were stuck in a halt. How about 50 times today? It's halting again. That's DTSS right there through 5. It's halting right there. He's up $946 today on one account and $550 on another account. He loves it. I love it too. Bingo, right there, 144 we're going to add. So I tell you, I'm on the microphone. You're a chat room member. You've paid your subscription. You buy 1,000 shares, and then I say add. So you buy another 1,000 shares. Why would you buy anything else? It's $1.44. You're not risking $1,400. You're risking $40. If it goes lower, you sell it. There's zero commish. Thing goes higher, you let it ride. It went to $5. Yeah, I told you to add right there, 148. Start selling at 160, 162. It's nuts. It's going to halt again. At 162, 163, bingo, halts again. For the people that aren't in it, sorry. Is anyone losing in the Mojo room on it?
No!
Are we winning?
Well, yes.
Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an F. Yeah!
It's still halted right now at $3.15. $3.15 right now. And it's 163. They're just making money. Mojo Rock, the crystal ball. They're asking me, how do I know these things are halting? I'm watching the time. Here it opened. The time and sales in the level 2. Right here, it's 317 by 24 with a signal there at 25 bullish. It's gone. See? Bullish gone. I told you it's going to halt again at 333 right here. Halting. Watch. Halting now. Halting now. Halted. Told you. When it's red, it's going to open up higher now. And I told you it was bullish. There was a signal at 325. It was grabbed, went right up higher. Textbook level 2 Mojo a la Mojo. Here goes right here, selling 500 NBEV. Right here, NBEV's getting sold right here. 326. They'll take it up into. I'll sell a 26, 27 maybe. They want 10,000 on the bid right there at 325. You bastard, I sold 500 at 325. No problem, we'll come back to it. CGC, I got 500 at 1992. That's good enough for me. Done. See how lightning fast this system is, folks? I see it, blink, boom, boom, done. You'd be like still pressing in your order. This is the TFS system. Trading Experts Financial Services. It's a private investment firm. They love the Mojo traders. The Mojo trader, they want this to happen every single day for all the Mojo traders. They give you the capital to trade. You're a member of the firm. And every day it's a business. You come in, you treat it like that, and you're part of the Mojo room where you're getting mentored, you're getting trained. And these are your P&Ls. Pro Trader Mar nailed $712. Real screenshot from his thing. I make him do that. He's been in here for years. Watch my videos every day. Then it halts again at $1.74. Bingo. And then DTS right there is at a new high a day, a 570. Cashing in. What a chat room. Absolutely. Geez, it halts again. Bingo. 180 into 184. It's amazing. Pro Trader Vic, new to the room. Thank you, sir. From 473, rides it up a point. And now it's going to halt again, but it's green on the time and sales. You can see that here. So it's going to halt and go lower. It's going to halt there at 158 and indicate lower. And there it goes, halted, indicating 151. When it's red, it halts up. When it's green, it halts down. Yeah. Both on the halt again. When it's green, it halts down. That's what you're learning, and you've learned in the Mojo Day Trade room today. And here's another one right here. I've got VIVE and DTSS halted both at the same time. And then I saw the stock moving. LMFA. It's notorious. Right here, first bar. It's on no scanners yet, but it may come up on the Gap scanner on some other people's things in a little bit if it gets some mojo and some volume at 118 by 23 with a high at 20. If it breaks that, Ross knows this one. He sure does. And there's LMFA. Goes from 118, thing flow. VIVE exploded higher. DTS opened. And Randy making his small $100 target a day Mojo style. These are small traders, guys. And the beauty of them, they're trading with no commission now. There's Randy. I stick him in. You got to meet. He's a gamecock. He's a teacher. That's Randy, man. Gotta put him in the testimonials channel. I appreciate all these great comments and nice things from my people. Oh, did I sell that CGC? Because now it's 96. Oh, I sold it at 92. May go through 20 now. I feel like buying it back. Feel like buying it back. Nah. Maybe. We'll see. Anyway, let's continue. It's only 10 in the morning. Oh, I feel. Come on now. Let's scroll down. All right. So it's 10 in the morning. And I mean, this is incredible. Here's LMFA firming up. VIVE halted again. So here are the halts. We've got one on VIVE. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me count. VIVE is 1, 2, 3. 3 on VIVE. And BNGO is, that's 4, 1. I have such a headache from today, too. So BNGO is 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. The list gets a lot longer, folks. It just opened up, BNGO, 330. 332. I told you it was opening up lower. Told you. And that's $20 on CGC right there. Still got 500 NBEV. So BNGO, BANGO. Pro Trader Craft, new trader to the room. Welcome, my friend. Taking 1/10 of the average position is recommended, up $64. Beautiful on the day. New trader to the room. Thank you so much for trading with the Mojo and following what we do. BNGO made a big jump from 318 back. It's going to halt again. Watch, it's all red. See? It's going to halt again. Watch. Halting. Give it a second. Halting. Halted. See? Live. That's how you do it. And you don't know that, and you're going to see it on your, oh, how did I know that? I could have gotten out before, or I could have gotten in before the halt. Right there. And it's red, so it's probably going to indicate higher and open up higher. See how beautiful that was?
Yes.
Money.
Yes. Well, yes.
That's how beautiful it is. So LMFA is firming up some more at 122. It's making a big old stick. And then boom goes BNGO right there. BNGO, BANGO halted again at 197. 190, I guarantee it goes through $2, boys. There it goes, 210, 211. See? Halted again on BNGO at 211. Halted again, and here's VIVE opening up, going to $8. It's Michael's McDonald's, please. You better ask somebody. BNGO opened after another halt at 1041.47. I called it 19 times, just like I've just done several times just now. VIVE opening soon, halting possible again on this. You can see it's red, 212. It halts at 213. Again, and it halted right there. I called it again, spot on. Sometimes I'm Trey, I can't do it, and most of the time I can. And then right here, this goes $8, 811, touchy 11. We go boom, it goes right through 850 as he called it, Mike D. And then it goes 870 flat up here. Very nice trade at 872 into 899 and $9. Right there, 923 flat. The man doing it every time in here, day after day after day. Day after day after day. Quentin, hopefully you'll join and you've seen some good action. 10:50 in the morning, guys. Noel's gone. See you later, dude. There's BNGO halted again at 243. Halted again. It's just halted right now at 350. Can you believe that? That's the wow trade play. You probably said wow like 50 times. Every time you do, it goes higher. VIVE Hines, good call. Pro Trader Fly says Hines VIVE at 9. So we get in, selling at 924 sold, selling 939 sold, selling 944 sold. Great trade, dude. Sold right up into $9 right there. Great job. BNGO halted again. 250. And he's asking why he halts, because Mojo's got here. We got a lot of power in our traders. Can I check out? No, I'm too busy for that. Another one moving. Bingo halts again. Yeah, again. So then I pick work at 23, Uber at 32, and CGC to go into 20. And Uber went from... Ooh, Uber's good again. Go back to the main screen. Uber went from down there to 32 and change. It's 31.92. Uber may be a good one right here for 32 again. For an entry, I take 500 right there. See, I decide, boom, doom, boom, press, you're in, done. Long 500 comes in the position window down there, and that's an entry position. NBEV right here is 331 from the 320 buy when I started the show. So right there, it goes 333. I think that's enough for me because I'm doing my show. I'll take 200 and 300 off the table right here at 333. As soon as it clicks on that. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'll take 332. Take a penny less. Back to Sweepy in the room. Another great day in the Mojo room. Sweepy, day number 2. New trader in the room. Thanks for being here. It's a woman trader. We love women. We love men in the room. Doesn't matter because money's a universal thing, obviously, and profits are as well. So these are the number of halts that we've seen on bingo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 halts on BNGO. 19 times that stock halted in the Mojo Day Trade room for the traders today. Unbelievable. Uber, Heinzing, told you. And that's pretty much where we're winding up, guys. And I just want to jump up to the present and go back and read my long-awaiting testimonial that I'm going to have framed right here. It opened 350. It opened higher. I told you it went to 360. I got my 333 on NBEV. Nice job on all trading all around across the board. Nice job on CGC. Went down, sold that. Got 500 Uber. What do I got that at? 92. We wait a little bit. And this one I'm going to frame. How do I catch the whole thing in there, though? It's too big. Maybe if I go like this. There we go. So this got to be framed. I've been waiting for that one. Well, he said he was going to do it today. I waited for my show for so long for it. Here we go. Pink. Thank you. Back in there. So we scroll back down to the present. Head over to the main screen. What do we got? What's work at? Work's 87. I Heinz that one earlier too. So wins with Nathan. Great job. Let's see. He's got a new guy in the room right here. Hi, Nathan. Let me just save this. Okay, Nathan followed 2 recommendations today, but slow as shit and sold my 1,000 bingo way too soon. Oh, it's okay. You're learning. Wait till you learn the rail grind, Nathan. You would have half of it still. You'd have half of it still, bro. Nice job, Nate. 620, baby. Pays for your subscription right there, big time. I'm going to take that. I'm going to put that in there. And you're now on my Twitter, brother. Ching! Let's go to Mojo's Twitter, man. I'm active today, guys. Ever since I put up this video right here. Amazing. Amazing. I'm very active on Twitter today. Very, very, very active, guys. Putting out the pics. All you guys that are out there following me. There is a jump on BNGO. Wow, it just jumped to 380. Look at the jump on BNGO to 380. It just jumped like a jumping Jahuma bat. I have no idea what that is. If you do, let me know in the comments below what the jumping Jahuma bat is. I have no idea and how that even came out of my mouth. But thank you so much, Nathan. Ching! Tasty Works just won 0 commissions for stocks. Nice. They must be losing some accounts, huh? You know what I'm saying? Jumping Jehoshaphat. Yeah, dude. That's it. Jumping Jehoshaphat, man. I knew it was something like that, kid. So that's what a stock halt is. Colin Arai. Ooh, thank you for moderating, Mr. Wayne. Look at you back as moderator on my YouTube. Oh, I love that. Thank you, sir. What's going on, Colin? You should always have in your arsenal free passes and things like that, Mr. I'll put one up. You can copy it right here. Here, please accept this invite. Here's the Discord chat room. Yeah, you can just copy that message right there with the link and gives you a link. We've got 776 memberinos. A lot of action in the room. 360 by 70 on Bingo Bango. 28 million shares. Mojo Super Pick went to $4.70. Oh, here goes Uber. 93 by 94. Going to go hit below that 50. See the level 2 signal? It may halt. A lot of sales going in. Too much size on the ask. If they don't hit the 50, it just may halt and open up at 10. See, I told you. I told you right there. You wouldn't have known anything about anything until you seen it come up on your scanner, Danner. And I nailed it and could have saved the whole world or got you in for a short on that banger because I saw it, knew it, and bang, baby. Bang zoom to the moon, kid. Told you. Halted again. Bingo, bango, boingo. Alan can't take it no more. He just makes thousands of dollars and leaves real early. It's amazing. He'd love these rainbow cookies, though. Fun.
And trade the volume. The moment that volume begins for dialogue.
My guest tonight is somebody I've talked about on the show, and my guest has talked about on the show for the last few weeks.
What happened?
He is Randy Schreiber, aka Pro Trader Mouse, in the MOJO Trading Room. He has been very successful in so many different endeavors that he's been involved in, and somehow has managed to fight, claw, and hustle his way to becoming America's newest millionaire trader.
I've been looking for this image right here. The millionaire trader interview. I was looking for that.
Which I think is truly remarkable, especially in today's world. Your silver bullet.
Let's fast forward.
That you or I can get rich tomorrow.
Huge dividend.
So I mentioned
the scale into that to break. Trader, a learning and aspiring to be trader, does scans and looks for stocks that are at 795. They scale into that to break the magic number of 8, and then they're finishing scaling out at 807. And he does that 3 times a day. At the end of the year, he'll be making $150,000, $200,000 a year just by doing one simple type of trade. And the best thing that Mojo's room does is really identifies those trades and maximizes those trades like no other room I've ever witnessed.
Yeah, and that's actually another thing that I started figuring out towards the end. When stocks reach round numbers, if there's a little bit of momentum behind it, it'll push through or it'll burst very quickly. It's one of those. What's the difference between $39.99 or $40.01 for a stock? It means nothing. It's a 2-cent difference. But psychologically, just like the 2,000 number of S&P that we hit last week, and we were trying to hit a few weeks back, and everybody's going crazy over it, and it's 2,000. A lot of times when the stock hits that number, especially if it's an index, you see a retracement, meaning that it'll come down a little bit because psychologically people don't think they're ready for it. It's like when you start driving for the first time, you see yourself doing 60 on the highway, you're supposed to do 60, where you see that like, oh, whoa, hold on, let me slow down a little bit. Then you go to 57, 58. It's a lack of discipline. That's really what it comes down to.
Guys, we're moving and shaking. We're back in some stocks. NBEV at 316 right here. 317. And CGC back in right there. I bought it 69.70 right here. Back in. Loving both right there. You could see. Back in both. Little MBEV, little CGC. Here's MBEV. We're buying 500 more. 1,000 more. All right, so that's that. So we're back in the MDR for a bounty with McDermott's getting beat. 244, 245. It's good on the 15-minute. Look at the 5. Nah, I'm not interested in that. Let's just stick with what we got going on. CGC and NBEV, bro, seem to be money makers. I'm staying with the trend. Trend's my friend. See this special 30% off? Today is the last day that will be up there, folks. Then there will be no more special of 30% off for the MOJO Day Trading Room. So if you see it, do it. If you go there and the page is down, that means the offer is no longer available. So hopefully you'll become a MOJO trader with us on the MOJO Day Trading team. Absolutely. Good question. Where is the page? It's on my website right here. If you go to mojodaytrading.com, it's not any page. You have to put it at the top, /special. Coming down tonight, boys. 30% off includes the MOJO Day Trading chat room for $99 a month, 33% off the regular price, and as a member for a limited time. Like I said, limited time is coming down tonight. All members get the MOJO Day Trading course for free. Learn all the systems that we're all doing and taught in MOJO University that I teach you step by step, the tools and everything you need. I'll do some one-on-one coaching with you over a month to make sure you're extremely knowledgeable and profitable, and we'll just take it from there. How about that? Like that. I like that. That's called MOJO University. So I showed you what stock halts were, guys, a number of them in VIVE and BNGO today. Bingo Bango. I showed you the 600% winners back to back with like SCS and all these other ones on October 14th. If you didn't see that, Do you know the Heinz trade play, guys? Mojo Pro Traders do. Learn how it works every time. I'm telling you. You want to learn how to do the day trade, then you do the Mojo. Let me play this one from the beginning. Alright, let's see what we got going on. Maybe JB did another video. You do anything today? Oh yeah, 4 hours ago. Check it out, JB's got a new vid. Oh, this is cool as shit, guys. He's good at like getting pulled by a cable throughout like the city. Watch what he does, dude. This is sick. Nice video, bud. Nice. Don't get eaten by the shark, guys. Dude, so what's going on, man? Hope everyone's doing good. Nice day today. Can you believe it's only 1:57 in the afternoon? The trading has been just mind-boggling and head-spinning, man. It really has. It's unbelievable. Phew. Look at BNGO. 295 halted again. Told you it was going lower. Look at the greens. See the greens at 323? Really a lot lower, man. Really a lot lower. We're riding the waves. Beautiful. That's a beautiful wave. Nice. Yes, CGC, bro. We're long CGC. I'd add some more right here. Why don't we do that? 75. Did it in a heartbeat, bro. Heartbeat, bud. There goes NBEV. 19. Selling NBEV in the 20s. Selling CGC into the 80s. Did you get that, guys? In the Mojo room? You get those last couple signals so I don't have to type them in? Give me a little confirmation. Let me know you're there. Come on now. Up $108 on NBEV right now. Come on now. You guys hear me? Selling 1,500 right there in between 21 and 20 at the market. Just a little bit right there. Got 3,000 left. Selling another 1,000 at 22. Right there. No problem at all. Maybe 23. Easily 22. Sold. Oh, they gave me 21, them sons of bitches. That's a $10 miss right there, boys. Got to be a little bit sharper on the money with that. Let's see, CGC 79. I ain't going to miss that one. So I'm just going to put it out at 82. What do I got? 1,500 of those. I put it out on the ass. So you go into the orders right here. You can see it sitting there at 1982. So when it gets filled, it'll have no problema. And let's look at Uber for another nice Heinz. I like Uber setting up for another nice move up here at the end of the day. What's the market doing? The Dow is about down 27, doing a little bit of nothing. So we'll just chill on that one right there as we stand. CGC making the move into 80 right there. We'll do 500 for sale right here at about 79 if we can. Got the other one for sale at 82. And take it from there, boys and girls. That's how you day trade. It's not a big like, it doesn't really even need to be shown all the time. You know, it's chill, man. There's nothing to be crazy about. No blitty. I just chill with my boys. See, I got my boy right there. My dachshund. See that on my desk? This is a cool one, actually. Look at the jive on that guy, huh? Because I got my boy down there, my boy Bobo Schnare. Right, Bobo Schnare? My buddy Bobo Nowini. He's such a good boy. So we're up some dog food on CGC and some kibbles and bits on NBev, and down a snackatory on Uber. That's what we got going on in the Mojo room. You know, you'd have to dig a lot of ditches, man. Make a lot of phone calls at work to make $2,000 on Canopy Growth for today. You know, it's a lot of ditches you got to dig and shit, you know? A lot of phone calls you got to make. It's a lot. Mojo's just made 161, just like a couple $100 right there, just now on the show, dude. Right there again. You know, add that stuff up, guys. Put that in your own pocket, man. Stop looking in everyone else's pockets. Stop looking at what all other traders are making. Worry about yourself, man. Your moms would like that a lot better. Stop disliking people's videos. It's karma. It comes back to you. You won't get in the good trades. You're disliking the video because you're not in the trade. Well, maybe if you didn't dislike it, things would change and you'd get in the good trades. You say, you know, Mojo's not that bad. He's been around for 7 years. There's guys that have been in there for 6, 7, and 8 years. Maybe it's not as bad as I'm thinking it is. And I'm going to get in there and I'm going to follow those trades and do those picks just like all the other guys on the team because it's great. And I want to make money and grow my account every day. You're not going to be like, oh, I lost I'm the moderator. I just lost $11,000. We're going to come back tomorrow, guys. I'm going to try to make it back in one whole shot. Kidding me? That's what some of these other guys are doing. Do you know if you lose, you got to be cautious, triple cautious, and come back and make those chips up. Depends on what stage you're on. Oh, I'm the moderator. I lost 11 grand, 5 grand, to whatever you lost. XYZ unnamed moderator. Well, is that the first couple of days you've been trading? You've been trading for years and you have hundreds of thousands of profit and it makes no difference. Or are you new and that really hurt you that day because you're new and I trusted you. I'm new to the room. I just paid a subscription and I just watch you lose your shirt and I lost my shirt and you make it all back the next day and I don't. I'm stunned. I'm looking at my account saying, holy shit. I just followed some guy and he's got these courses and he's teaching everybody and he just lost his shirt. And now he's going to show me how he changes into red shirts because he lost and he's changing and adjusting his attitude until the stocks change and he goes balls to the wall and makes it all back in 2 trades. You don't do that, dude. It's unrealistic. It's a bunch of malarkey. You follow the Mojo picks, you get in on some VIVE, and you get in on some quality stocks. Boom, with the Mojo team. Look, Uber's moving, 96, 97 on Uber. I'm going to sell 500 right here of the Uber, right into the 97. Give me a little tick on the 97 right there. I got plenty to sell at 96. Got a little spike happening up on Uber. So the same way you buy a couple of times when it goes down, You sell a couple of times when it goes higher, guys. Where did I sell this last time? 321. I sell again. 324. How many I got left? 1,500. I sell 500 more. Got 1,000 left. Okay. CGC I got at 74 is 74. Did I sell any at 80? No. The order's still in there. So I'm going to lower the order right now to 78. And we'll sell 1,500 at 78. Got to make sure it's on limit. And you click sell, and then the order goes right in there. So I'll probably get filled in the next couple of minutes. Uber's 31.98. Here we go. Beautiful on Uber. 99. I can get 32 on Uber. Uber's looking good for 32. I'll come back to it. CGC just took a little dip. No, it didn't. NBEV is the same. I'm out of NBEV. Uber's 98. Back to Uber. Selling half, 750. There's Uber, 99. Oh, you bastard. Did he give that to me? 98. Son of a bitch. That's twice. Twice. Costing me 10 bucks. So bingo opened 301 by 305. Here you CGC, you got 82. That's weird. Red on my platform, 323. Yeah, now it's 303. Uber Duber. I'll sell 350 at 32.02. Sell, accepted, check it in orders, done. Got CGC up for sale at 78. There goes Uber through 30. Uber through 32. This is not going to hold right here at $3. CGC making its move right here to 78. I'm on the ask right now, so I should get filled on CG. I told you bingo was coming down, guys. Told you. Here's bingo. Get the 277 stopping station on bingo. 277 stopping right there on bingo. Bingo. It's not halting. It's not. It's going to 277 stopping station. There it goes. They're going to take the 90s. It's going lower. 91 ask. They're shorting the hell out of it. Penny pincher cross market. When the bid and the ask is the same price, it's called a cross market. See who wins the battle. There's more sellers, so I suggest it's going lower, and it did to 285. Beautiful. Beautiful. What a call by man. I knew that in the level too. Not in any charts and showing you bullshit with the charts, man. Bullshit with the charts. Nice. CGC 25. Uber 97 kind of died down. Let me cancel my orders and be in control of my trades again. Don't take my eye off the ball. I'm good with Uber. What time is it? 2 o'clock? All right, I'm good with Uber. I'm going to take a break just to sell it, even though it may go higher. Don't care. And I'm going to hold. I'm going to add 500 of these because I think this goes into 20 and closes around 20. With NBEV doing great at 328 with a great rebound from the last trade just did there at 314 and 316 and 317 for the Mojo family. Oh, yes. Welcome, Larry, to the room. Let's see some new traders to the room today. Welcome, Larry. Welcome, Vic. Welcome, Oliver. Welcome, Nathan. Welcome, Kraft. Some new names up there. I like to see that. Recognizing the power of the mojo. So here goes CGC in the green. Here goes CGC in the green. Getting 1,500 ready for sale, baby. Larry, it's been a long time. Larry, you came back Tell everyone how long you've been with MOJO Day Trading. They don't know you. I do. Tell everyone how long you've been with me. What year did you start?
Yes, 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 yes.
Couple years.
Yes!
Couple years. Like 2016, 2015, something like that. Yeah. See, been a long time, folks. People recognize the power. Always been around, always kept on giving them. Maybe not anymore. Get one of these trading accounts under your belt right here like the Mojo does. You could trade along exactly with me. You'll see my shizzle every day, just like that. I don't even know what I made it in, but there you go, 754. Just trading and trading. It's like I'm golfing, guys, and I look up, there's my score. I'm playing hoops and I'm rocking and rolling. I'm sweating and I'm boom, and I look up and like we're winning, and I just had 10 baskets, man. The greatest players, the greatest athletes, the greatest performers don't look and say, I'm going to shoot this or do this. They perform, and then you see the results. That's what it's like in the Mojo Day Trade, bro. Absolutely. Why didn't we take a trade in bingo? Because there's too much risk for the reward to make it happen. And I look at risk reward on all the trades. Nice. EXPR is doing good today. And CLSD is 82. The other swing pick, guys, look. CLSD is 82 now. Been to 84. Told you. Look at the daily chart. Gonna rip. Keep on going. Look at that. About to rip. See that? Absolutely. Gonna rip right above that, guys. Right there. Right there. Did a shiner. Ah. Nice face right there, right? Doing well. Doing well. So I hope you're enjoying the Mojo Day Trading show, guys. I put a lot into the show, you know. I want to help you. Dude, if I'm sitting here and I'm putting out picks in my room, which I've been doing for so long, and I can do a video and I can help you make more money or make money, dude, I'm going to do that, dude. I'm going to do that. I can make videos and I could bash Ricky and Ross and Jason and Elise and Badiri and all these guys all day long and be like, get a lot of controversy and drama and likes and more people to my videos, but that's just pansy, man. I've been made 1,700 videos since 2013. I was the first person to make trading videos on YouTube. Go to all your people that you watch, look at their first video, sort by the oldest, and then go to mine, look at the oldest, and see who's made them first. You'll see. Mojo Day Trading. What do I think about PCG? It's 780 doing nothing. Say when I think it's doing nothing. That's what I think. I think CGC is going to head into 80 now. May take some here at 77. It's tempting. I knew I should not. I shouldn't. It's going to go. Maybe I'll take 500 at 77. Do I have any orders in? No. Don't be like this trader, folks. If you've been pissed off in the last couple of days from your trading and you just want to throw everything off your desk, watch again. Hit your damn computer. Crazy. You're in the wrong room. You need the Benjamins. You need to subscribe to the Mojo. Have the money rain on you, baby. Look at that Benjamin. See him? Bingo's in trouble. Bingo's going to halt again here. Halted. Told you. On the upside to the red. Caught it. Told you. I catch it every single time, guys. I've caught every halt of the day. All 20 of them. Every single time. Without a doubt. In a heartbeat, I have not missed. Heartbeat, I have not missed. NBEV 340 now. Freaking killing it. Sold too early on that. Look at that NBEV, dudes. Look at that NBEV since the last tick and call, bruh. Right there at 3. Would I buy that with you at 314? It's 336 live on the MOJO Day Trading Show. I'm in CGC doing nice, but I'm telling you, man, that was a super, super, super pick. And Bingo's halted again. I can nail 500 at 80. Nailed 500 for sale at 80. You got to wait for the size to get there, guys, or you get printed lower. You got to wait for the market to be there. It's real trading, man. The market ain't there. You ain't getting it. Got 3,000 left. I'd like to see a little bit of a push because NBEV pushed back up to 40. This should push back up to 84 bid by 89.90. I can get another couple of beans. Another little kibbleinos for the doggy down there. Right, my handsome boy? He's so handsome. 80 bid, 81 bid. There we go. I can get 1,000 off of 81. I can go 82. Come on now. Here's the move I like to see. 83, 84. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. I'm going to have to release 500 out of the get-go. I'm going to have to release 500 out of the get. See how I just changed it bang really fast and quick? That's on the Mojo. Good question. That's on the MOJO Day Trading website. Look under the tab that says trading firms. People are asking good questions today. Go to more and go to trading firms. And right there, you'll see Trading Experts Financial Services, a private investment firm that cherry picks model using the company's capital to fund traders. They love the Mojo traders. They cherry pick the traders that have received enhanced financial resources like the Mojo systems and Mojo University. Your initial fundings level start as low as 14, but you can get up to $1 million a trader. You could get up as far as 95% of the profits. You risk zero of the capital in that account is not your capital, so you're only risking the funds that you used to become a member, and it could last a really long time for you, and you can do it day to day, month to month, year to year, and there's questions and FAQs right there, and this is what the systems look like, and you can apply right here. You can get the real-time level 2, the charting, the advanced, the buy-in, the trade manager. It's all amazing, all on the MOJO Day Trading website. Looking forward to you to join so we could trade together. You could send me your report showing me what you're doing, how you're doing it, and just lovely. There's 84 by 87. I told you, man. I told you it was going to 84, but it didn't give me a chance to do it. Look at that. Damn you. Let's put out 1,000 at 84. Now I got the order in, so I'll get done now. NBEV's 36 by 37, holding up strong as a rock. See, if you're a chartist, this is what you do. Watch, you draw a line here, just like that. Now I'm a chartist, dudes. If it goes below that line, get out. As long as it's above it, hold it. And right here, it's going up into rail grind again, like it did right here. I mean, just I know what I got going on. Trade with the MOJO, just like Mouse. Congratulations again on your $1 million successes, Pro Trader Mouse.
But if I had followed him in all those, I would have been on probably 15 or 16 straight winning streak over the last week and a half, which is very impressive. And you do it safely, and I think that's very important. But before that, before I want anyone risking their own capital in MOJO, I like for them to check out what he's all about. I like for them to learn more about investing, even if it's not through my MOJO, but I know the MOJO system works. And you mentioned that you've been through a lot of chat rooms. There's not a lot of good ones out there. The ones that are good, you have to try to find them. Those are diamond in the rough types of things. So, again, that's why I'm so happy I was able to bring you on. I was so happy I was able to bring Alan on. So happy I met Mike, because to me, Randy, education is the number one thing. Every day I learn more while I'm in that chat room, while I'm doing my activations and finding it.
You hear that, guys? Right from those guys are doing interviews between each other. He's learned more and so gratified that he's learned the MOJO system and is in the room. He had a huge winning streak. So does everyone. When's your winning streak going to start? Click the links below, check out my profile, and come trade with me in the MOJO Day Trade Room. Stop selling yourself short in what you can do with your account every day. We hold no grudges. I'm a nice guy. If we had a bad thing on Twitter or in the past, I don't care. I like you. If you are here, I give you a drink. We'd drink, we'd hang out, we'd talk about stocks together. If you lost money, big deal. So did I. So did a lot of other people. But if you're still in the game, there's chances you can make that back and change it and do it right for yourself, like myself and other people have done. It's sitting right there for you. So guys, come on to the room. Unblock on Twitter. It's all water under the bridge. No big deal. I've never done anything but give out good picks that could help everybody and help you. So if you got a bad pick, maybe you timed it wrong, or it just may have been on your side. But guys, the proof is in the pudding here, right here every day, and the proof is in the pudding right here every day. Ramey's not hero. So we halted again, red, which is indication of going higher. Greens are indications of going lower. And right now it's at 368 from 330. Okay, look, red indication, halt, higher indication at 370, halt. See that? Ramey, can you believe today again we hit another 400% winner, man? Another 400% winner, buddy. A day after day after day. Look, there's the mouse, man. Quads. Huge trader, man. Scott, lovely. Hope you're doing great with the systems. And who do we have here? You ain't going to believe this, folks. Watch. Vidalia. Watch. Message. So this person, I never want to come back to the day trading room, is going into ban mode. Watch. 9/11. It's over a month. Thank you, Mike. So I know the person's there. Welcome. Reply back. What do you think about Roku, Overstock, and AVDL? Amazing. What do you think about my trading in Ameritrade and BBBY? Here's all the trades. Hi, another solid day in the MOJO. What do you think of all my trades in Ameritrade? Hi, I could trade and help you achieve this again. What do you think about this day? And then today we hit BIMI, Humor, and SCS. Last 2 days we hit this and this. I'm offering you a chance to come on. I hate to do it, but if I don't get an answer, I'm going to have to boot you and block you, and you can never come back again. So that's Vidalia down here. See? Banned. You can never come back. I have a lot of these in here, and I'm going to do them one by one. So this trader never answered me and has been here a couple of times. So we'll give him just one or two more times. This trader, slow climbing. I've never chatted before. Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you. I'm not a bad guy, dudes. Okay, so then we got Rising Green. What do you think? Brand new to the room. It opened, bingo, 335. Then I've gotten, oh, these guys are all new. They're all left. Look at this guy's the same people. These guys have never been here before. They're made up names. They've never been on Discord before because these aren't real people. I don't expect a reply back from any of those people. An 8 tier. He's never been anything. There's two before. So right here, I've shown this guy since today. I've chatted with him a bunch. He's a small guy. So he's nothing. OCGN, you like it? And that's it. So we had a lot in before. And they moved. OCGN is $2.49 ripping from $1.75. Went nuts, dude. Look at this stock, folks, that they're talking about in the MOJO Day Trade room. Pro Trader Noel is in it. Ramey's in it. Look at it. Look at it. Nathan's in it at 207. It's 248. Nathan, buddy, is there anything better than the MOJO room, right? And Heinz. And us pro traders having a wonderful, wonderful time together. Making money together. So nice.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
And thanking Pro Trader Mouse for the amazing text and the amazing message to the room today.
Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an F. Yeah!
Sell here, 264 sold. Sell it. Great job, guys. Half sold, half sold. Sell half. Look at that pick these guys just did, dude. Ross is going to be trading all them same ones we did. I wonder why. I wonder why. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. Amazing pick by Ramey and Philly and Noel and Nathan. Amazing teamwork in the room. That's what we do. That's what we do. That's what we do. Half sold. Good job, buddy. I know, they're making a lot of money today, Mr. Boboschner. I know. Thanks for the tips. I saw the ass building bigly and help for the sell at 264. You the best, baby. Nice. Get up into 270. 269. 270. Nice trading, guys. Great picks. Great teamwork for the team. 270 right there, boys. Look at that run on this one, guys, for the MOJO traders and the MOJO room. There's no other place you'd want to be. I'm hanging out with my boy Bubba Schnare. Right, my handsome boy? Oh, dude. You're the greatest. Oh, look at this guy. Oh, such an angel. So soft. Nice. You're a good boy. Nice. Look at that OCGN run, baby. I can't buy that on this system. It would say security can't buy. Watch. See, security isn't tradable. See? Security isn't tradable. Can't do that. Give you another leg up into the 5-minute rail grind? Because it's a shitty little stock and they don't do that, dudes. They don't do that. Look at my boy. You're such a handsome boy. I know, you playing with the keys? Such a good boy you is. Such a good boy. Let me fix this camera. Oh, I got another dog crying at the door. I wonder who that can be. Is that your brother, Mr. Remington Stewart? I think so. Mr. Remington Stewart is at the door. OCGN. Here goes CGC. Not moving anywhere. What's NBEV at? 43, dudes. How come this one didn't move back up? VIVE as strong as a Rockstonian from Bostonian. Nice. So happy I got Ramey in my room, dude. Ramey, if you were in another room, dude, and you were chatting all day with other people and stuff, and they knew who you, I'd be like, dude, I don't know who Ramey is. Ramey seems so cool, dude. You can hang out with Ramey. It's like a foursome of golf every day. I meet Ramey, I meet Mike, I meet Alan. Sweet Pea's there cheering us on. It's like awesome, dude. Totally. Got Bobo Schnare right here on the lap. Oh, so soft and nice. All right, that's beautiful. What do I got left? Got to sell 1,000 CGC. What time is it? 2:30. Definitely need a break going into right now. I wanted to make the show just for you guys, man. Can you give me a like on my show and a thumbs up? I'd appreciate that. Oh, look, I just refreshed. And look who's there. Ross. That's Ross, everybody. Got his online workshop. Show you how he took $500 and he turned it into $1 million. How he lost 11 grand 2 days ago and made it all back in a day. He'll tell you. Skip that ad. I got 8 people gave me a thumbs up, man. 8. Appreciate it. Ross. I'm wondering what you're going to be trading today, kid. Can't wait to watch your video. I do every day just like you watch mine, man. Like I drive, it's like I own McDonald's. Dude, I drive by Burger King every day. Why wouldn't I check out the parking lot, see if you got no cars in there and stuff? It got to be crazy. I drive right home through it every single day. Burger King, you're my competition. I'm McDonald's, man. I've been doing it a little earlier, though. And you just came and copied, but it's okay. You're flame broiled, kid. You're the king. I'm just a clown. Ronald McDonald. But I picked Bingo, Boingo, Bango. Picked SCS, and I won on it. Picked a lot of other ones. Got a lot of sea of green in the MOJO room. That's about it. Ain't doing nothing else. Peloton at 21 was a good buy. Look at Peloton, what it's doing right now. Just went from 2250 shooting up. It's like in my face. It's like the guy's on the bike so fast. It's like, holy crap, I noticed that in a heartbeat, man. Peloton headed up through 23. Really fast it did. See that? Gildenheinz territory, big resistance at the full number, but it may break through and fly. Sounds like a conundrum right there. A Jehoshaphat's. Didn't I say that before? A little Jehoshaphat? Telling something like that. Hi, buddy. He's hiding under the desk now. On my lap. He's so cute. Peloton. Like a ballistic missile. You should get a video of a guy riding really fast on a Peloton. Save that for my Peloton trades. Man, that Peloton went up huge. Dude, huge. Huge. Nice. Nothing's happening, boys and girls. My Express, 325. VIVE, 714. BVSN, take it off my list. BBBY, I don't like that one anymore. PCG, I'll keep it up there. TXMD, off my list. Yuma, off my list. Work. I Heinz 23 on work today. It did pretty good. See me, 22.93. See it, 23.17. And WWR down $1. We'll keep it on there because it's a runner. And I like to call it out for the room. This ain't doing nothing, baby. Ain't doing nothing. 77. Come on, baby. I take 500 off right there. I want to wind down my day. It's 2:30. I think I've had enough today. I think I've had enough. What about you guys in the room? Have you had enough? Total profit 3,351 today. Guild Heinzing 66 for you. Beautiful. I'm so burnt, Ramey, I can't even move and look at another stock. You actually were able to get away. I've been here in the trenches for days, dude. Been in the trenches with the team for days, just grinding and grinding, bro. No regrets, dude. We'll do it again tomorrow for sure. Oh man, no regrets there. I've been in the grind, dude, all back in time, back in the grind, back in the grind. It's like, that's what I was doing. It was grinding. Now I'm like, whew, tired. So I was back to the grind now. Whew, no regrets, man, for anything right there. Absolutely, man. Woof. Just incredible day, incredible day. I think I'm going to go and do what I should have been doing before. What a man does. I'm going to go do it, man. I want everybody to check it. Thank you for watching my show, man. I'm going to go do that right now. How about that, baby? Let's go take that up to the upside and go sit on the throne with the paper and go check out what we did for the day. Until then, peace. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Later. I'll see you on the next show, baby.